It's lovely, it's fall, it's warm, it's coral, it's rosy, and I like it. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Complexion Coordinating BB Cream by Missha. I want that gorgeous luminous skin that, I don't know, for some reason when I think of winter I think, and fall and winter, I want that gorgeous, clear, luminescent complexion. Quant is a Japanese brand, and this is the Treatment Eye Foundation. Basically, this brightens my under eye area. Okay, now I'm gonna take a concealer, and this is the Dior concealer, and this is number 2. So this concealer I'm going to use kind of like a highlighter. So I'm gonna go down my nose, here around the chin, some more around my eyes because my eyes are pretty bad, a bit around my nose as well. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever HD powder. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the blush, and the blush I'm using is Corally PeriPera number 5. It's a rosy coral blush. Smile. Look, the mirror. Yeah, this is the little mirror that I have to use. For this look, I'm using my favorite palette by Yeves Saint Laurent. It's number 3. This is what it looks like inside. It has a pink color, an orange color, a gold color, a purple color, and a highlighting color. So I just love this palette. I use it so much, especially for the fall. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and what I normally do, is I highlight. So what I do is under my eyebrows and more on the bridge, I put basically just put a light or beigey or creamy lighter color on the top to highlight. Now I'll also highlight on the inner lower part of my eye as well, like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pink color, and it's kind of a beigey pink color, so it's more for autumn. It's not like a bright pink color that is more spring or summer. And I'm going to put that all over the upper eyelid. I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm just going to put it on the outer part of my lower lid as well, just a little bit. Now I'm going to take a flat angled brush, and I'm going to put it in to the purple, so the darker purple color. And I'm going to use it as a kind of eyeliner on the lower part of my eye. So I'm doing this on the lash line. Now I'm going to do the same to the top part. So I'm going to use the purple as an eyeliner, but I'm going to actually wet this brush. And here's a tip. You can turn any eyeshadow into an eyeliner, if it's good quality eyeshadow, by actually wetting the brush. So hold on while I get some water. Okay, so I wet the brush, and let me just show you how it works. Put some of the purple on the brush. and it creates an eyeliner. So I'm gonna use that on to line the tops of my eyes. I'm trying to put this close to my lashes. Now I'm gonna take just a bit of the gold and just put it right on the ball. Now for the eyebrows, all I do is I use, like, this is a mascara brush, you know, for the, like, a tester mascara brush. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. Just, that's how I get them, I mean, so I just brush my eyebrows, that's what I do. Yes, people brush their eyebrows. Okay, now I'm gonna put mascara. I'm using the Innisfree. This is the Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo. For the top, I use the Jumbo generally, and for the bottom, I use the Skinny, but the Skinny has a more natural effect and does more lengthening, but it actually doesn't do very much. The Jumbo is amazing, and that's where you get like the full dramatic lashes with the Jumbo. The Jumbo, I recommend. The Innisfree Jumbo Mascara. And this is also a great mascara because it comes off in warm water. This is the Skinny Mascara. It's like what some of the Western brands are calling a lash primer, actually. If you want dramatic lashes, the Skinny is actually not enough. Okay, now I'm gonna put some lip liner. I'm using Paul & Joe Nude Lip Liner, and I don't think it really matters. You don't really have to use the lip liner. I just do to make my lips look a bit fuller. Okay, so I just put some nude lip liner. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Dear Darling Neon Tint in pink from Etude House, and I'm going to try to stain my lips pink. And I like using lip stains because even if you eat or whatever, you're still going to have some color. On me, this isn't very neon-y, so it just gives a bit of pink to your lips. And now you have to wait for the tint to sink in. Okay, so I actually waited for the tint to get into my lips and my lips to become dry again. So this is actually a lip balm and it's actually the Shini Star lip balm from Etude House, and it was a limited edition product, and this is in Key. And so I actually like this look for fall. So instead of this lip color, the look I'm going for, if you don't have, you know, the Shini Star lip balm or the Etude House tint, so you could also go for the Rouge Dior Lipstick 354 or 449, but 449 is an Omotesando limited edition, but it looks about right. Kind of a beige rose color, but also a corally beige rosy color would look really good. The other one that would be good would be Innisfree number 3 in their new line, which is called the Creamy Glow lipstick line. Anyways, you should definitely have fun with lip colors and lipsticks and just do whatever you want. I mean, just have fun.